Two very controversial topics in our lives right now, right? Healthcare and immigration. Some will say that these two are under attack. Others will say they're being reconstructed for a better future. Tonight, Congressman Kweisi Mfume hearing from Baltimore City residents and addressing both topics at the Bilingual Christian Church.
We have a system where the majority rules in Congress. What is the plan to win back the majority?
Democratic Congressman Kweisi Mfume hearing directly from his constituents and residents of Baltimore City tonight during a community town hall. A town hall the lawmaker hosted focusing mainly on immigration and Medicaid.
Maryland hospitals will face $362 million in unreimbursed care costs, and they risk closures as a result of that.
The congressman throwing out statistics he says will happen under President Donald Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill Act. Alongside him, a Maryland healthcare advocate and an immigration attorney who addressed different things happening on the federal level.
There are things like temporary protected status. We have large numbers of Central Americans who have TPS. The administration is actively ending these programs, and there is also, as I mentioned, litigation that is challenging the termination of these programs. This means that thousands of individuals in our community could likely go back to being undocumented.
Republican Senator for Baltimore County, Johnny Ray Salling, says he believes the Trump administration is being responsible when it comes to Medicaid cuts and the handling of people who are undocumented.
Previous administration has literally opened the borders to anybody and everybody, not just in Central America, but around the world. And criminals and people that came in, that's why we have problems with a lot of crime in our country.
And Mfume did address getting denied entry to an immigration facility earlier this week. He says he will likely be looking into joining a lawsuit that was filed by other Democrats today against the Trump administration regarding entry to those immigration facilities. In Southeast Baltimore, I'm Tori Yorgi, WBAL TV 11 News.